Our topic today is going to be division strategies with algorithms. So this is going to be from Unit 2. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to calculate the quotient of a division equation by using mental math to divide a 3-digit dividend into equal groups with remainders. You'll know you have it when you can reach the correct quotient of the equation. Some important vocabulary is to know that the divisor is the number by which another number is being divided. The dividend is the number that is being divided. The quotient is the answer to a division equation, and the remainder is the leftover amount that cannot be divided into any of the equal groups. So when we talk about an algorithm, a division algorithm, we're essentially talking about long division. So there's a certain way that we set this up in order to find our quotient. We put our divisor on the outside of our little house and our dividend on the inside. We will then follow the steps of divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. We will continue these until we reach a remainder that is smaller than our divisor. Once that remainder is smaller than our divisor, we know that we cannot possibly divide anymore, and we've reached the end of our problem. So let's look at our first example. I have 532 divided by 46. The first thing I need to think about is, can 46 go into the first place value, the number 5? Well, I know that 46, I can't multiply anything by 46 to get 5, so I'm going to add my second digit to that number. I have to think, can I multiply 46 by anything to get the number 53? Well, actually, I can. If I multiply 46 by 1, I get 46 without going over. So now I'm going to put that answer underneath the 53, and I'm going to subtract, which is the next step in our long division process. So I'm going to say 53 minus 46 is going to give me 7, because if I borrow 1 from there, so I have 13 minus 6, that gives me 7. And then 4 minus 4 is 0. If I have digits left in my dividend, I'm going to do my next step, which is bring down. I'm going to bring the next digit down and put it next to what I just got, which makes it 72. So now I have to think, okay, what can I multiply 46 by to get close to 72 without going over? Well, knowing how my numbers work, if I multiplied 46 by 2, that would give me over 80, which is more than 72, right? So I know that 46 can only go into 72 one time. I'm going to multiply that out and subtract again. Borrow. I know 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. My remainder is officially smaller than my divisor, so I know that I can stop, which leaves me with my quotient on the top and a remainder of 26. So 532 divided by 46 is equal to 11, remainder 46. Go ahead and you can continue on in this lesson to get extra practice on following these long division steps.